Good morning, sir.
Right. I asked you to design the pages, right? But no one
Yes,
shared.
we did it actually. Uh, shall we send that screenshot, sir?
You need to send me the output screenshot and then the coding file, HTML file. That's what I asked.
Yes, sir.
Everyone completed or not?
Yes, sir, we completed.
Yes, sir.
But others not responding. So just send me the output screenshots as well as the HTML file in the group, so that your HR or training HR also will understood you are doing task. Okay, so because they will perform the analysis, right? So in that analysis, if they are performing that analysis for you, in the sense like they will be taking the task and then how you are performing, how you are attending the sessions. Okay, so if you are available for 9 hours or not. Okay, so everything they will take into analysis. Clear? So please share it in groups. That's what I told in the last class itself.
Yes, sir,
Clear?
we will add it now.
Fine. Sorna, like you joined today only, right? Sorna, can you please unmute yourself and then speak?
Yes, sir. Today I'm joining, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Swarna Pamla. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Nellore. I did my graduation in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in Guide College of Engineering, Rajahmundry. I'm selected as a Python developer in Informatics Digital Solutions. And this is my first job, sir.
So what are the programming knowledge you are having?
Sir, I have the basic programming knowledge in C and Java, sir.
C and Java. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, what we will do in the sense here we are going to learn the Python full stack development. Okay. So
Yes,
using front end technologies, backend Python with a Python Django framework, and then including database, MySQL database. Okay. So I'm going to train you in the Python full stack development for our client projects. Clear?
clear, sir.
Fine. So you need to attend the regular classes. So I will take any time, any timing I will take. There is no fixed timing for sessions. Okay. I will give you daily based task. So that task you need to work out and you need to share it in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have laptops, right?
Yes, sir.
So did you install any editors for your programming in your system?
No, sir.
Okay. So please install Visual Studio Code. Okay. So please watch the recording. I have shared the recordings, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, previous recording, previously 3 classes only I have taken, so the 3 classes recording just see in after this session. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and then you can able to understand. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I have just started HTML things. Okay, only few tags I explained. Today also will continue the same HTML things. Okay, so
Okay,
that
sir.
we can able to learn easily. Okay, so guys, please send me the screenshots also, output screenshot. Everyone after the session you can share me the screenshot. Okay, fine. Thank you, Swarna. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So guys, we'll continue the today things, right? So last class we have completed till this break and horizontal tag. Am I right? Horizontal rule tag. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next we are going to see about formatting tag. Okay, we are going to see about formatting tag. So formatting means what is the meaning? What is formatting? Any idea?
Predefined structure that we assign either to a text or to a.
Partially it's correct. Like we are going to formatting the text content. We are going to formatting the text content. So for example, in your Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, we are having the bold, italic, underline. These things are there, right? So like that, we can use the tags, HTML tags to format our text content, to format our text content. For example, first tag we are having is bold tag, B tag. First tag we are having is bold tag. So this is for bold text. This is for bold text. So like this, we are having strong tag also. Okay, this also is a strong text. That means bold text. This is also for strong text or bold text. Okay, you can see in the output. Okay, so both will give you the same outputs. Both will give you the same output. So the text will be in the bold letters. Text will be in the bold letters. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, now we are having one thing called italic tag. That means this tag will be used for adding icons also, but I can tell you this italic tag. Okay, for italic text. Italic text means what? Italic text means what? Slanting text, right? Italic format. Okay, so like that we are having one more tag similar to this italic font. Okay, so emphasized tag. Okay, this is for emphasized text. This is for emphasized text. That means same slanting text. Okay, you can see the italic format. Are you able to see everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now just to understand this, you can watch the previous video so that you can able to make the continuity. Okay, immediately after the session, please watch all the recordings, previous recordings. That will be only 20 to 30 minutes recordings. Okay, and then do the task that I have mentioned in that recordings also. Clear, Swarna? Fine. Okay, so next we are having some more formatting things. Guys, are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm just asking the specific thing called delete. So what is delete? Like strike out. So writing any content in the paper, how we will strike out that content? How we will strike out the content? Will be put a straight line to the content, right? So likewise, the delete tag you can see here. Are you able to see this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so delete tag will give you the specific thing. Okay, so likewise it will add. Likewise, it will add. Okay, so any doubt here?
No.
No doubts, right? Okay, fine. Coming to the next thing. Okay, coming to the next thing, how to highlight the text. How to highlight the text. That means using the mark tag. Using the mark tag, we can able to highlight the text. Using the mark tag, we can able to highlight the text. Okay, for example, let me show you here the highlighted text. Okay, in default, it will be highlighted with yellow background. Okay, you can change the background using CSS property, but in default, it will be highlighted with yellow background. Understood? Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Now we are having two more formatting tags. So we are having two more formatting tags, like that is like subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript's text. What is meant by subscript and what is meant by superscript? Any idea?
Subscript means it will come under the letter like A0, A0. Superscript means A power square, B power square. That comes under superscript.
Yes, exactly. Like subscript in the sense the basic use for chemical formulas. The basic use for chemical formulas. For example, H2O. For example, H2O. That means this 2 will come under the base. 2 will come under the base. Superscript in the sense your mathematical formulas. AB square, A square plus B square, A plus B square. So like that, we can give these specific things. Okay, you can see these formulas. This is subscript and this is superscript. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are all the formatting tags we are having. So just work out this formatting tags in the already designed page also, or else you can design separate Wikipedia page also. Okay. So we go for next. Shall we
Yes,
go
sir.
for next?
Yes.
Okay. So next, so actually what I'm doing in the sense I'm explaining the HTML component wise, not tag count wise. Okay. For example, I have completed head tag information. Initially, I have completed head tag information. Next, I started with body tag information. So in that body tag, I have explained first class. I explained some basic tags, regular usage tags and basic tags. After that, I have started some formatting tags. Today, I have started some formatting tags. Next, I'm going to explain list tags. Next, I'm going to explain list tags. So after that, I will explain table and then forms and then finally media tags and then finally some few uh, most advanced tags and the regular usage tags. Okay, so component wise, I'm explaining so that you can able to easily understand, so that you can able to implement those tags in the specific design purpose. Clear? So how I am doing in the sense like only for the product design and as well as your work. Okay, including all the tags. Okay, mostly I'm covering in 100% of the HTML tags. I'm covering 95% of the tags. Only 5% I'm not covering, like SVG, Canvas, these things. Okay, that is not required also because everyone is not using SVG and Canvas things. Okay, so that tags only I'm just omitting that. Apart from that, all the tags I'm just covering into the specific training sessions. Like for CSS also, I will cover mostly 90-95% of the CSS property with including advanced CSS properties also. Okay, so please learn it properly in step-by-step manner and then implement in your designed page. Clear? Okay, so after this Wikipedia, like 2 more days you will design Wikipedia pages. After that you will start designing your college web pages. Okay, everyone is having college websites, right? So we are going to design your college websites. Okay, for practicing purpose, because college websites are the basic websites. College websites are the basic websites, so we are going to design those websites. Okay, after Wednesday I will ask you to start college web page design. Okay, so please prepare accordingly. So whenever you are designing the pages, whenever we are learning the CSS property, we are going to apply the designed pages. Already designed pages, we are going to apply that CSS property immediately. Okay, daily basis. Whatever the properties we are learning daily, that properties we are going to apply in the already designed pages. Clear? Wherever it is required. Wherever it is required, so we are going to apply that. Fine. So this is a pattern we are going to follow because this is not like training institute or corporate training like that. So here we are going to work. Okay, learning is important to work. Okay, so immediate learning is very important. Okay, so we need to work immediately. So that's why we are giving immediate work. Fine. So next, list tags. First list I'm going to explain about unordered list. First list I'm going to explain about unordered list. What is list generally? Generally, what is list? Tell me guys, any idea about list?
Collection of elements we represent as a group that
That is
will be given in the list.
you are telling in the programming list. I'm asking about general list. List means, what is that meaning? General meaning of list. List of items. Am I right? List of items. Okay. Number of items simply. Okay. For example, your grocery list, some other list. Okay. To-do list. Like that, we are having some list of things, right? So here we are having some 3 different types of list, like unordered list, order list, and then definition or description list. So like that, we are having 3 different lists. First, let me explain unordered list. Okay. So why they have named it unordered list? Why they have named it unordered list in the sense? So it will be having the specific thing called what? The pointers. Okay, list pointers, like list item pointers. It will be in bullet marks, bullet, squares, and then circle markers. Okay, so it won't be given as a list item as a sequence manner. So that's why they have named it as unordered list. Okay, so for example, let me have, so within this unordered list, we need to use list tag. We need to use list tag li. Okay, to list out some item. To list out some items. Okay, so for each and individual values, you need to use individual list tags. Individual list tags. Okay, I'm just using Java, Python, artificial intelligence, and then machine learning, ML. Okay, so I'm just using these things. Right now, I'm just refreshing this page. You can see. You can able to see that, right? So we are having some list of items. We are having some list of items. Okay, so in this, in default, okay, in default, we are getting what marker? Bullet marker. Yes, right? We are getting bullet marker in default. Okay, in default, we'll be getting the bullet marker. Okay, if I want to change this markers, if I want to change this marker style, okay, then what I can use in the sense, I can use an attribute called type attribute inside the unordered list. Inside the unordered list. So I can mention simply circle. Okay, if I mention circle in the sense, automatically I will get circle marker. Automatically I will get circle marker, right? So next, if I mention square, okay, mention square, okay, automatically I will get square marker. Automatically I will get square marker. You can see the output. Okay, understood? Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. I don't want any markers, then I can give none. I don't want any markers in the sense, then I can give none. So automatically the markers will be removed. Automatically the markers will be removed. Okay. So Amarnath, Sunil Pawan Kumar, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt about this, sir.
No doubts, right?
Yes, sir.
Dhananjaya, Dhananjaya, are you there? Okay, fine. So now this is normal pattern. I want to make some nested list. I want to make some nested list. So nested list in the sense one list inside another list. That's called as nested list. One list inside another list. That's called as nested list. How can I make in the sense? Just copy this specific thing. Okay. Take the, I'm just taking in inside the first list item. Okay. So first list item, just creating one more list. First list item, just directly creating one more list. Okay, so this is called nested list. This is called nested list. List inside one more list. This is inner list. This is outer list. Okay, so you can see how it is representing. Okay, so for this nested list, the default value will be the circle marker. Clear? So this is how this will be the list items. One list items for outer list, and then this will be the inner list. This will be the inner list. Clear? So I will show you this design in your Wikipedia pages so that you can able to understand also. Okay, you can see this design. Everyone are able to see this design? See also design,
Yes.
right?
Mm.
So here it will be the unordered list. Here it will be the unordered list. Design these things also. Include in your design. Okay, if you already done it, it's perfectly good. If you are not done it, include this also. Clear? So this is the best example. Initially, best example for this unordered list. Okay, you can use an anchor tag within the list tag also. Okay, that's your wish. That's up to your requirement. Okay, this is unordered list. Coming to order list. Coming to order list. Okay, so why they have named it as order list in the sense we are having the markers in a sequence manner. We are having the markers in a sequence manner. So sequence manner, what are the markers are available in the sense numbers and alphabets. Numbers and alphabets. So that will be the sequence markers. That will be the sequence markers. Sequence in the sense like one by one. Sequence in the sense one by one. So we are having that sequence markers for this order list. So that's why they have named it as order list. That's why they have named it as order list. Okay, let me add the list items here. Okay, you can see how it is representing. Okay, in default numbers will be the markers for this order list. Numbers for the numbers is the markers for this order list. Okay, and then we can use other markers also. We can use other markers also. Okay, for example, you can see the list of markers. Okay, we can use numbers 1 2 3 4 like that, and then we can use uppercase alphabets. We can use uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, and Roman letter capital I, Roman letter smaller case I. Okay, so this kind of markers we can use it for order list. This kind of markers we can use it for order list. Okay, let me use it, this uppercase A. You can see we'll be getting the uppercase characters as a markers. Understood? Right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So here one question will rise, right? So we are having only 26 alphabets. If I have 27th item in my list, in the sense how it will take the markers. Any idea? We are having 26 alphabets only, right? We are having only 26 alphabets. If I'm having 27th item in my list, so how it will take the marker?
Like AA or something like that, sir. AA
So
and
it will,
AB and AC.
yes, exactly. So let me show you. Just copying the same list item for multiple times. Okay, I'm just representing the screen. You can see how it is taking. After the 26 letters, 27th item, it is taking as AA, AB, AC like that till AZ, and then it will start for again B. Then again it starts for B, BA, BB, BC like that. Clear? Understood?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So this is how it will work. Okay. Let me remove these things. Okay, and then Roman letters also like uppercase, lowercase I. So automatically it will show you like this. Understood? Is that
Yes,
fine?
sir.
This is order
Yes,
list
sir.
simply. Okay. So here the type none will not work. Here the type none will not work. Why? In the sense we need to differentiate between the order list and an unordered list. So that's why in the order list the type none will not work. Type none will not work. Only for unordered list type none will be applicable, because we need to understand this is order list, this is sequence list. So that's why the none is not applicable for order list. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can use the order list here also simply. Okay, in this pattern we can use this order list. Okay, so here an order list, everything. Okay, everything you can able to use it here. Understood, everyone? And then finally we are having one more thing called definition list or description list. Okay, what is definition or description? Any idea?
The meaning of the word or definition of the word, certain word, we can mark it as a paragraph and we will.
Okay, for example, in your answer paper, okay, in your exam answer paper, there will be a question like what is Python? There will be a question like what is Python? So how you will write the answer for that? The structure, answer structure, how you will write? I'm not asking about the answer. I'm asking about the answer structure in your exam paper. How you will write?
First, we'll start with the definition and some syntaxes, tags that we use.
Okay, that means what is Python in the sense we will put the title for that definition. That means definition title as Python. Is that correct? Okay, so this is definition list. Okay, a description list. Within that, we will put a title for that definition or description as definition title. Okay, after that, we'll be using one tag called definition description. Definition description. Here we will write the definition for that topic. Okay, Python is a object. Sorry. Oriented programming. Okay, so just I have given this. Okay, now you can see in this how the definition title is represented here, how the description is represented here. Okay, so this is what we will write in our exam paper. Am I right? We will put a title and then we will give some some space in the next line, and then we will start the description for that definition for that specific topic. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the specific design of description list or definition list. In our design, we won't use this list as much. Okay, but for your learning purpose, I explained this. Okay, in our design, we won't use these things, even though order list also sometimes only we will use, but on order list we will use mostly 95% on order list we will be using that. Clear? Fine. Okay, so till now, please work out and implement the things. Okay, so now you also complete the recordings and let me know. So guys, if you completed 3 pages, design 2 more pages today with all the tags included. Okay. Tomorrow I will complete the tables as well as forms, form tags, regular form tags and attributes. So Wednesday I will maximize, I will complete the HTML. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So make sure you have done it with some 5 to 7 Wikipedia pages within Wednesday. Okay, including all the required details. And then I will be sharing some different table designs and then form designs also. Clear? So that also you need to work out. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? If you have any doubt, any queries, please ping me personally also in group also. Don't waste your time. Keep learning. Okay. You have 9 hours per day. So please utilize for your learning. Clear?
Okay.
Fine. Thank you all.